Welcome to the news briefing. We start today with massive developments as Google, Microsoft, and Elon Musk's xAI join a crucial U.S. government-led AI review program. This initiative is set to allow federal authorities to conduct pre-deployment evaluations on advanced AI models, specifically focusing on assessing risks in cybersecurity and national security. These powerhouse companies will be providing early access to their frontier AI models to the Center for AI Standards and Innovation under the Department of Commerce, giving regulators the power to stress test these systems before they hit the public market. We will dive into what this means for the future of AI safety right now.
Here's a simple way to protect your phone without stress. This ALEN 3-pack comes with tempered glass screen protectors, camera lens protectors, and an installation frame for an easier, cleaner fit. It's clear, case-friendly, and built to help guard against scratches and everyday bumps. Check the link in the comments to get it on Amazon.
Next up, we look at the intense pressure Meta is facing regarding child safety as they expand their AI age checks across their platforms. Following preliminary findings from the European Commission, Meta is implementing stricter safeguards for teenagers on Instagram and Facebook to address concerns raised under the Digital Services Act. This move signals a significant regulatory response, as the Commission has warned the company that they must dramatically improve their age verification and risk assessment processes or face potentially severe financial penalties. Find out exactly how Meta is adjusting its systems to protect minors. Now, shifting focus to independent watchdog efforts, Common Sense Media has launched the Youth AI Safety Institute, an undertaking the organization calls their biggest effort ever to tackle the potential damage AI could inflict on children. Founder and CEO Jim Steyer says this institute will provide independent testing and public awareness for AI products used by young people, acting like an independent crash test rating for artificial intelligence. This new institute will bring together experts to ensure that AI developers are held accountable for the safety of their platforms, creating a real race to the top for safety standards. Finally, we examine the White House considering vetting every major AI model before release. Reports suggest a potential executive order could establish an AI working group involving tech executives and officials to oversee new models, marking a major pivot in the administration's approach to AI regulation. This move reverses previous deregulation efforts and signals growing concern that some advanced AI capabilities might outpace current safety measures, potentially slowing down consumer product rollouts while boosting security. Stay with us as we break down the trade-offs between cutting-edge features and necessary security standards. Google, Microsoft, and xAI have entered a new U.S. government-led initiative to undergo pre-release safety checks for their advanced artificial intelligence models. This collaborative program allows federal authorities to rigorously evaluate these powerful systems before they are made publicly available, focusing specifically on potential risks related to cybersecurity and national security. As part of the program, the tech giants will grant early access to their AI models to the Center for AI Standards and Innovation, CAISI, an entity operating under the U.S. Department of Commerce. This access enables regulators to perform crucial pre-deployment evaluations, analyzing the capabilities, limitations, and potential for misuse of frontier AI technologies prior to market release. This development expands an existing cooperative framework that already involves other major players like OpenAI and Anthropic, signaling a significant push toward industry-wide cooperation on AI safety. Government agencies have a history of conducting numerous evaluations, testing unreleased models to pinpoint vulnerabilities and security gaps. The primary objective of this initiative is to mitigate the risk of AI misuse in sensitive sectors, including cyber attacks, biosecurity threats, and the disruption of critical infrastructure. By stress testing models before launch, authorities aim to proactively identify weaknesses, such as the capacity to bypass safety measures or generate harmful content, ensuring these issues are resolved early in the development cycle. This move underscores a fundamental shift in AI governance. Instead of relying solely on strict regulation, governments are increasingly adopting a collaborative approach, partnering with leading AI developers to strike a balance between fostering innovation and ensuring the responsible deployment of powerful new technologies while minimizing potential dangers. Meta is rapidly expanding the deployment of artificial intelligence to verify user ages and implement more stringent safety measures for teenagers across its social media platforms. This strategic shift comes in direct response to mounting regulatory pressure from the European Union concerning child safety and data protection. The action follows preliminary findings from the European Commission, which indicated that Meta may have not sufficiently safeguarded children on Instagram and Facebook in compliance with the Digital Services Act. The Commission has explicitly warned the company that Meta must significantly enhance its age verification and risk assessment procedures. Failure to implement these improvements could result in substantial financial penalties, with potential fines reaching up to 6% of global revenue. Common Sense Media has launched the Youth AI Safety Institute, an initiative described by founder and CEO Jim Steyer as their largest undertaking, aimed at rigorously testing and evaluating the safety of artificial intelligence products used by children. Steyer emphasized the profound impact AI will have, comparing its potential effect on youth and society to social media on steroids. The Institute's core mission is to provide independent testing, evaluation, and broad public awareness regarding AI products targeting young people. Findings will be communicated clearly to families, and developers will be held accountable for platform safety. Steyer is calling for a competitive environment among major AI labs and platforms to prioritize safety for young users. This new standalone institute builds upon Common Sense Media's previous work, which has included AI risk assessments, warnings about widespread chatbot use among teenagers, and concerns over AI-enabled toys. Drawing parallels to the Consumer Product Safety Commission and the independent crash test ratings for vehicles, Steyer stressed the necessity of an independent watchdog. He noted that while AI developers recognize the need for oversight, they lack the credibility to self-regulate. Common Sense Media is collaborating with major entities, including Anthropic, the OpenAI Foundation, and executives from Apple, Google, and Microsoft to ensure independence from the developers. The Youth AI Safety Institute will be guided by an advisory board comprising experts in AI, youth development, child safety, mental health, and education, including former Surgeon General Dr. Vivek Murthy and former Apple senior vice presidents. Steyer concluded that the scale of AI's societal impact demands action, noting that policymakers at all levels need to be informed, as the government has previously failed to establish a dedicated body to address these critical issues. The White House is reportedly considering a significant shift in its approach to artificial intelligence regulation, potentially involving the vetting of major AI models before their public release. This development signals a notable reversal from the previous administration's hands-off stance on AI oversight, moving toward a framework that includes government scrutiny. This consideration stems from growing concerns over the security risks posed by unsecured, AI-powered systems, which cyber attacks have demonstrated can be far more dangerous than previously appreciated. Reports suggest the administration might pursue an executive order to establish an AI working group comprising technology executives and government officials to guide this oversight. This pivot is particularly significant given past actions. The current administration reversed course on AI oversight after previously scrapping safety requirements mandated by the Biden administration. That move, which rescinded a 2023 executive order requiring safety test sharing for risky AI systems, prioritized deregulation and innovation. The current consideration to slow down certain advanced models indicates a growing recognition that some AI capabilities may be outpacing existing safety measures. Potential outcomes of this vetting process could involve delaying the rollout of cutting-edge AI features in consumer products while simultaneously strengthening security standards. Cybersecurity experts are voicing serious concerns that advanced AI models possess the capacity to identify and exploit complex security vulnerabilities within interconnected ecosystems, such as smart home devices. This concern extends beyond theoretical threats. It directly impacts consumer digital security and privacy, echoing concerns raised by other high-profile technology controversies. While the concept of an AI working group suggests a collaborative approach rather than heavy-handed regulation, the specific implementation timelines and scope of the oversight remain unclear. Navigating this evolving landscape will require consumers and industry alike to weigh the trade-offs between rapid AI advancement and responsible deployment. The balance struck between fostering innovation and ensuring robust security will likely define the future of consumer technology.